Welcome to my kitchen. I am Busy Dad. Today we are cooking a red sauce. And no, it's not that kind of Italian red sauce. This is the type of red sauce you get on Mexican food. A few months ago, I went to Mexico on vacation. There were so many unique dishes, and I came back wanting to try how to make all of them. The only problem was I didn't know how to make all of them. So I learned. And today we're going to make one. This is an amazing dish. Is it going to replace the salsa you get in the can for every time you need a salsa? Maybe not. It's a little bit more work, but the taste is wonderful. If you're a busy mom, a busy dad, busy anyone, then you belong on this channel. Go down and click subscribe so you can get more content and more recipes. And with that, let's get chopping. So, what kind of recipe are we looking at here? Well, actually, this is my own. I kicked off this type of thing, this recipe, this red sauce, a few days ago when I came across a recipe in Cook's Illustrated magazine. This channel is not sponsored by Cook's Illustrated. I wish I were. It is a wonderful magazine. But I was at my mother's house and I came across a recipe for red sauce, just like this. This is obviously a Mexican dish. It's something that I wanted to cook for a while, so I read through it. I also found a great recipe on YouTube that taught me that you can cook this a lot of different ways. It's thundering outside. I hope that I can still grill this later. Should be able to, as long as it doesn't rain too much. And we are going to grill it. See, that's the thing. Most recipes for this would start or include some kind of dried chili. And I didn't want that. I didn't want to be dependent on having to go to the store for a special ingredient. So I decided that what we're going to do is roast all of this stuff. And so I tried that out a few days ago, and it worked well. The only problem was I didn't use a lot of red ingredients. It didn't come out red. So I'm making it again, and this time with a camera on. I also came across another recipe where they cook it in a cast iron pan. I'll put a link to that below. It was quite entertaining. And it proved to me that you can cook this in a lot of different ways, and it will still be great. When you're cooking should be something that's fun for you. So, enjoy yourself. If you like roasting, if you think that's a good modification, do that. We do it some other way. This is still going to come out great. So we're chopping all these up, and they're all going to go on the roasting pan. They're going to go on the grill, and they're going to get a little bit smoky in there. It's not a smoking grill. It's just going to char a little bit around the edges. Even the garlic is going on there. And what this is going to do is give this dish a nice, warm flavor. So, we'll go ahead and we'll put all this on the roast pan, and we'll pop it on the grill outside. And while that's on the grill, go ahead and chop up our final ingredient. This is cilantro. It's going to give it a great flavor. If you don't like cilantro, of course you could leave this out. There really is no right or wrong way to make this. I will have a quick note to say about hot peppers. I like them, but if you are cooking for, say, a little one who does not like hot peppers, you might want to tone that down a little bit. The only other ingredient here is salt and a little bit of warm water. So when the rest of the roasted materials come out, we're going to pop it all in a blender and blend it up. Okay, so here is what this looks like when it comes off the grill. It still looks fresh, but the flavors have been intensified, so when I pop this into my Vitamix and blend it up, it should transform itself magically into an awesome sauce. So stay tuned while I do that. I'm going to put the camera on hold so that nobody else has to listen to the blender, and I'll be right back. So here it is. This is straight out of the blender. And you can see we've successfully transformed our tomatoes and peppers and onion and garlic and everything else into a delicious looking red sauce. But you don't need to take my word for it. I'm gonna try it and we will see what it tastes like. It's very good. It tastes great. It's got a nice warm flavor. It's smooth. This is wonderful on meat, which is what we're going to do with it tonight. Rice and cheese-based dish. Now, this didn't take that long to make. It takes longer than opening a can of salsa, that's true. But keep in mind, a lot of things you might cook have downtime in the middle. If you're cooking rice on the stove, if you're grilling chicken, those things are going to have a little bit of downtime, and you do have time to do this if you want. But again, cooking is fun. Cooking is for you. So make this when you're inspired and you want to have a great sauce on your dish. Alright, that's it for tonight. If you like this, click like, click subscribe, tell your friends. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you'd like to see. I'll try to make something great for you next time, so join me then, when Busy Dad is cooking.